Good morning, everyone. It's Tim with OEM Part Haus. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear climate control, rear seat entertainment little display from 2007 to 2014 Yukons, Tahoes, Suburbans, all that stuff. And so what happened with ours is that our daughters spilled a drink and it just stopped working. So we're going to take this out. I'm going to replace it with a new unit. Should be really easy. You're only going to need a couple things. First one being a brand new part. So we're going to look it up. You can get this right from our website. And then besides that, you just need a couple trim tools. And so I'm going to pry the sides right there and pull this bad boy out. Let's get started. All right, so what you're going to want to do is get your trim tool right here on this seam, and then you can pry this guy out. Get this in there. Might have to use my other hand real quick. Give me just a second. Okay, I popped that corner off, so I should just be able to go around the sides now and pop it out. There we go. Oop. I'd just be able to do it with my hand. Yep, you just pull on it. It should come loose. This should go all the way around. There are a couple clips holding in the electrical pieces. Those shouldn't be a problem. Okay, this thing's ready to come out. There we go. I forgot to mention also that you need a Phillips head screwdriver to get these little screws off of the back of your old unit. We're just going to unplug these, set them aside. Remember where they go. It doesn't really matter though, because I think they only fit in one way. So we'll unplug those real quick, and then we'll take off the unit with the screwdriver. All right, once you've done all the clips, what you're going to do now is remove the 4 Phillips head screws and take off the unit. With those screws removed, you can now take the unit off the back. So just pull right off. There we go. And sorry, I got this thing balancing on my leg. Now we're ready to put the new one in. So it's just going to go right into the same spot. It's looking good in there. So what we're going to do now is just get all these plugs, put them back into the back of the unit, and we can just push it back in and we should be good to go. We'll give it a test after that. Well, there it is, all installed. And so what I'm going to do now is reach across to the front, turn the key, and see if I can get this bad boy to power up. I guess I could have done that before I installed it, but I was kind of confident this was going to work. So let's see. Well, it is the moment of truth. So we're going to test and see if this thing works. I could have done it with it all not installed already, but I just had some confidence that this was going to work. So I'm going to reach across to the front, put the key in the ignition, and this thing should come to life. Let's see. Excuse me while I bounce around real quick. Let's reach up here, get the key in. There we go. And there it is. It's alive. Let's see if it works. Yes. Cool. Let's see if we turn it off. Okay, it just goes back to the radio, showing what we have. Got the little headphone jacks here for my 2 daughters and their own individual volume control. Got the heated seat buttons here. You can change the flow of the air. We'll just turn this bad boy back on because they like messing with the air. Anyway, looks like it works. So I hope this helped. And if you need this item, please reach out to us. We have it. I'll try and put a link in the description below. But anyway, you guys have a good week. Talk to you later.